Alright guys, so it's been a little while since I last made a video, but I kind of figured it's good to get ahead of this, especially since our biggest issue was clearing last year. And the two things I really want us to focus on getting much better this year is the two-man game and clearing. So I'm going to go through this so that we understand that this is going to be our default unsettled clear. So what I mean by unsettled is that essentially there's no whistle, that the goalie makes the save and we need to get the ball upfield. So we don't have time to set up in an exact formation, we just have people sprinting to an exact point to get that ball going. So obviously you can see that down here it's starting with our goalie, either Ike or Blaze probably, and what's going to happen is as soon as he yells clear, okay, this is how we know it's a break. Don't move until you hear the goalie say clear. The defenders are going to move out. The two lowest on the right and left are going to banana curl here, okay, and here. The reason we call these banana curls is because they kind of look like bananas. So we have a defender here on the line for the box. The other defender who is a little bit higher up, let's just say he starts here, he is going to move up to about here. So about halfway in this middle zone on our side of the field. And then we've got the LSM and or middies, all of the above. You guys are going to rocket out. A middy is going to go right here. So we got a middy right here. We're going to have another one right here, middy here. And then we're going to have our LSM come up here. Let's say this is box side. That the LSM is over here. So the reason we call this a 4-3 clear is that imagine that there are these zones divided here. We've got zone 1, zone 2, and in this case, we've got one person, 2, 3, 4 people in that one. And then we've got 1, 2, 3 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, clear. Okay? Now, keys to success with this, and we want to make sure we understand this, is that if you are, a little bit so we don't have so much red on the field. So if you are one of these guys here, all right, either this middy, this LSM, defender, or middy, your job isn't just to haul it without even looking back up here. You need to look back so that our goalie, whoever it is, let's say for example this is Max right here, Max, and he's looking behind and he has nobody on him, they can just beam it to him and he's up the field and over. Okay? Paying attention is critical here. Okay, I actually chewed out my nephew over at Western because what he would do is he would rocket up here. He wouldn't even bother looking back. He was so concerned about getting off the field, he wasn't paying attention, and as a result, he was being a bad teammate. So don't be a bad teammate. When the goalie yells clear, two lowest defenders go out to the box wings. Everybody else goes up here. We got the two poles in the center. We've got the two middies off to the wings. LSM, you want to kind of hedge to the box side. And this is our unsettled situation. So anytime we have somebody shoot the ball, our goalie makes the save, there's no whistle, this is what we immediately want to go into. Make this rote memory. Okay? Easy peasy.